Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open the touchscreen and tap controls, then select Display to access the clock, time zone, and format options. In Display, you can change between 12-hour and 24-hour formats and inspect whether Automatic Time Zone is enabled. Always check Display first when the car shows the wrong time after a trip, because many issues resolve by switching format or reselecting the correct zone. This panel is the primary place for simple clock changes and avoids unnecessary reboots or app actions. If the displayed time is incorrect, disable Automatic Time Zone in Display and choose your correct city or time zone from the manual list. Manual selection locks the clock to that zone until you re-enable automatic updates and helps when GPS AutoSync selects a nearby but wrong zone after border crossings. Use the format toggle on the same screen to set 12-hour or 24-hour display. Manual time zone selection is a reliable fix for persistent offsets caused by mapping or carrier data. When settings changes do not correct the clock, perform a soft reboot by pressing and holding both steering wheel scroll wheels until the screen restarts, about 10 seconds. Also check Controls software and install any pending updates, since Tesla releases fixes that address clock and GPS sync bugs. If the soft reboot and update fail, perform a power cycle from the Safety and Security menu or schedule a Tesla service appointment. Document behavior and timestamps so technicians can replicate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.